Okay, good everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, in today's video, we'll be looking at empirical and molecular formula. Now, there is a question given to us. They said an organic compound with relative molecular mass 136 contains 70.75% carbon, 5.09% hydrogen, and 23.35% oxygen. Determine the first one, empirical formula, and the second one is what? Molecular formula. Now, a lot of students usually find this particular topic very, very difficult and very, very confusing. Why? Because they do not understand the basics. Divide this into two. We have carbon is given to us as what? 70.75%. What you do now, we just write C representing carbon. You have the next one, hydrogen, 5.09%. You will come here, write just H. And now oxygen, you write O. Are you with me now? So since carbon is 70.75, you just come here 70.75, hydrogen 5.09, oxygen 23.35. Now, once you are done writing them, you are going to divide them by their molar mass. Carbon is what? 12. So divide it by 12. Hydrogen is 1. Divide by 1. Oxygen is what? 16. Now, so this will give us 5.90. 5.09 divided by 1 is the same thing as 5.09. And this will give me 1.47. So now over here, we have 5.90, 5.09, and 1.47. Now, the next thing I will do is to divide by the smallest. Now, which one is the smallest? 1.47, right? So divide by 1.47, divide by 1.47, and divide by 1.47. So this cancel this will just give me 1. 0.09 divided by 1.40 will give me what? 4, and this will give me 4. Now, so since I've gotten them, the next thing I will do is that, remember, C will become 4, H will become 4, and my oxygen will just remain where it is. So this now is the empirical formula. Now, the next thing I need to do is to get the molecular formula. And how do I do that? Remember, I said this 136 will be useful at the end. So we have C4H4O close and open bracket N equals to 136. So this N is what will enable me get the molecular formula. Are you with me now? So C is what? 12 times 4 plus hydrogen is what? 1 times 4 plus oxygen is what? 16. Close bracket. Then your N equals to 136. So 12 times 4 give you what? 48. Plus 1 times 4 is what? 4. Then plus 16 will give you what? 20. Close and open bracket. N equals to 136. Okay, let me erase this part. So now 48 plus 20 is what? 68n equals to 136. So I'll divide both sides by 68. So my n will be equals to what? 2. But this is not the final answer. So this n now will replace this 2. So we have this thing will become 2. So use this 2 to times everything in here. 2 times 4 will give you what? 8. So we have C8. 2 times 4 will give you what? 8. H8. And 2 times oxygen, O2. So this now is my molecular formula, MF. This one is my empirical formula, EF. So if you are still confused or you want me to do a second video on this, let me know. Or just put it in the comment section and I'll reply you. And I want you to do this one next. Okay, now, so this is the question. They said a compound contains 7.75% hydrogen, 37.21% carbon, and 55.04% chlorine. Determine the empirical formula of the compound. So this is just a straight question. They really ask you to get the molecular formula. You know, first of all, you need to get the molecular formula before you get you need to get, the empirical formula before you get the molecular formula. But in this case now, they ask you to just get the empirical formula. So I want you to do this and tell me your answer in the comment section. So see you in my next video.